Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking me to my birthday day. My sister planned everything, so I just had to show up. But first place we went to was Chaos Cards. It was very fun. This is what it looks like. You get free arcade games while waiting for your turn, free popcorn. So here we were just trying out some games.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like. It's basically karting, but you get 6 different levels, different scenarios, should I say. You just have to collect points on the floor and try to win, basically. Slow people down by shooting things at them. We went with, there were also other people with us, so it was very competitive. I liked it a lot, and I was actually second. Second place we went to was bowling. We had a round of bowling. This is some of the food that we got there. It was delicious, especially these mozzarella balls. The best. I didn't win here, but it was still very fun. Here I did the strike, but I didn't end up winning. We got drinks as well, but it was fun. Then the third part, which was the night part, is when we went to a restaurant. It was called Turtle Bay. It was kind of Jamaican, Mexican, very nice. And I went all red, as you can see. Red nails, red shoes, red dress, red lipstick, just red. This is some of the food that I got. My sister really went all out. It was such a fun day. And it was also, should I say, my birthday and also my other sister's birthday. That's basically it. And then after that we went to a bar just for more drinks, but it was such a fun day. And I know this vlog is a bit short, but just thought I'll take you with me as, you know, a side of my life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Just stop and realign yourself with the world, baby.